You searched how to buy shares of Burford Capital Ltd. Burford Capital Ltd. is a litigation finance firm listed on NASDAQ under the ticker BUR, and this video is educational only, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account, and we will use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you will typically verify your account with an ID and add funds before you can place orders. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker BUR to find Burford Capital. Select the matching NASDAQ listing to open the correct stock page. On the stock page, review the basic company information and the price chart to confirm the listing. Make sure it shows Burford Capital Ltd. on NASDAQ under the BUR ticker. To place a trade, click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, then review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, the order may be queued, and if you do not have enough funds, the platform will request a deposit before confirming. Your new position will appear in your portfolio once the trade is executed. Find the eToro link in the description to follow the same steps demonstrated here.